Can you believe that a Grammy-winning pop superstar like Billie Eilish is secretly pulling strings on Survivor 50? The premiere of the show's milestone 50th season absolutely blew everyone's minds with a jaw-dropping twist: the introduction of the Billie Eilish Boomerang Idol. Castaway Genevieve Mushaluk stumbled upon this game-changing advantage, but here's where it gets truly wild. She was forced to gift the idol to an unsuspecting player on a different tribe, hoping they'd get blindsided so it would literally boomerang back to her. Talk about a masterclass in strategic betrayal. Genevieve, playing the ultimate chess game, chose multi-time player Ozzy Lust, setting him up for a potential downfall. But hold on. The drama only intensifies. Ozzy, now unknowingly holding a piece of Billie Eilish's legacy and an extra vote, feels more powerful than ever. He can only use it on himself and can't give it away, keeping the mystery and potential chaos simmering. Fans are already buzzing on social media, speculating wildly about how this unprecedented twist will play out. Will Ozzy become a victim of the boomerang, or will he wield its power to dominate this cutthroat season? You won't want to miss a single moment of this season's celebrity reality TV chaos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for all the latest scoops.
Be in the know with Hollywood gossip. Subscribe for comprehensive coverage.